So hello guys, I have an update on my TX500 expansion pack. I call this expansion pack, and I made a choke holder. I added the choke to this build. If you remember, this was the right bracket before, so finally I integrated the choke to the device, because if you think about it, do you have any ham radio, also shortwave transceiver, where you not use a choke directly on the transceiver? I don't. I have a ICOM 7300, I have a choke at the transceiver. I have also a choke on my ISO FT897. And also on the portable, always having here a choke, because this is the position of the choke where it always, nearly always, seems to have a benefit. So I'm thinking, why all the big brands of your ham radio transceivers not integrate the choke in the transceiver? I don't really understand it. Everyone is adding a choke, and I don't see any. I don't know why we're not doing this. Maybe there's a reason what I don't know of. Also at the moment I can't think of any. So yeah, this is how I made it. Because one thing is, with these small cables, this is quite fragile, I have to say. This is a RG316, I think it's called. This is quite a hard cable. I think this is Teflon, but I had at least 2 times when I ripped this connector off from the cable. This is, if you pull here, this direction, this goes off. So this is not super reliable, I have to say. So I would be happy if I not have to use this in the field, connecting loose. It's hanging there, you touch it somehow with the feet, and it's it happened also at least 2 times, if not 3 times. So I will show you how I made this. It was not so easy, I have to say, because quite tricky to find a position in the smallest possible form to integrate this, and this is what I came up with. You can see this here goes out of here. The coil is not wounded like this, where after half of the windings you are crossing to the other side and going back with the windings. I made here so there's a little bit space here where you see the core. Here is a small tip of, not a tip, but there's the plastic goes a little bit more inside and pushes to the core. So this is quite stuck inside here. And here I have the BNC connector soldered, and was also important to have this that this not goes out of this of the dimensions here. This is inside that, and I can't rip this apart easy. So if I connect here something. And this is just the closing. It's the second prototype. This was my first. I'm always starting very basic, making just rectangles, and then it's getting more and more beautiful, or not. Usually more beautiful. Here's a protection for the cable. A little bit. This goes here out. I think this is quite good. And I'm thinking if I should make this here on the top too, that I can't touch this cable here. So this is the closing. So this is just with one screw. And this hole I will make smaller too. It's too big, too wide. But I'm quite happy with this, and I will test it in the field. And I'm saving at least, I would say, minimum 10-15 seconds setup time, because I have to search this first in the dry pack, pull it out, connect it, for sure 15 seconds. I reduced my setup time with this. Yeah, I will test this, I will let you know. And with the time, I'm not sure if I will make another video, because there are only small changes now. But it will, with the time you see it in the videos, that it's maybe will look a little bit different. So small improvements. Yeah, this is it. I have a transceiver with a built-in choke. Built-in choke, built-in battery, built-in sound card. Who has this? No one has it. I don't know why they're not building this. Oh yeah, I also like that this, I wanted to put the PNC connector to the back of the radio. I like this more, I think, than from the side. So this is also another plus. So this was it for today, not much. But small improvements. Thanks for watching. See you next time.